Okay, the DIY project we have today, basically, as you can see, these steps, we're going to replace these steps. We're going to replace these steps completely. Take these 2x4s or 2x6, whatever this is, off. Put brand new wood down. So we'll figure it out. Here we go. So this is what I just did. Took the 2x6s off. Took all the 2x6s off. On each row, you would have two 2x6s. One here and one from here to here. Okay, on each row. All right, took a minute, but I got it done. Now I'm trying to decide whether I want to take this piece off because it's a little rough, or save it. I'm not sure yet. I'll see what the homeowner wants to do. All right, so we took all the 2x4s off. I took the 1x8 off, which was on the sides, and we're going to put everything back together stronger than what it was before. We're going to either paint it or stain it. We'll figure it out, and we're going to get it going. All right. I finally finished doing the porch and putting these steps back together. Brand new wood, rail put back on, even though we might paint that rail a little later depending on what the customer wants to do. But as you can see, everything is done. Everything was screwed in with screws. The screws are definitely better than nails. It lasts a whole lot longer and it looks better. Okay. As far as back here, we were able to actually turn them over to the opposite side. As you can see, it looks good, as if it was almost brand new. Next step will be to stain it, and then I'll be back with you guys. So it was actually a very long day. The sun is crazy today. It's like 90+ degrees out here with 1,000,001 things on my mind. But as you can see, we're able to get this job done. I will come back and stain it, and then we'll take it from there. But all right, y'all, please, if you have not, please like and subscribe to my channel. Me and my daughter will greatly appreciate it. Thanks, guys.